Gis na naman, musical na naman. Alam mo naman sinasabi yung lahat yun. Huwag tayong pokrito, okay? Alam naman namin kung ano yung mga pinikritik nyo behind and in front of our faces. But that's cool because what we have now is a lively scene and that's the most important thing.
Yeah. Tapos, even the choice of the kahabagin na bukas, yung Filipino, that's a very important choice done for this production. Because kung babasahin niyo siya, kung isa siyang katipunero na nag-stage siya ng mga play, na hinuhuli sila ng police kasi ito sa sedition seditious yung ginawa nila, di ba? Yung ganung klaseng, it should remind us that theater has always been in the forefront of protests. Has always been that. The creative, the pen, the word, yung pagdula, magkarugtong lang yung dalawa, di ba? Sabi ni Ma'am Kes, di ba? Yung talinghaga, yung taling may hiwaga na nagkoconnect sa katotohanan at saka sa ginagawa sa entablado. Kasi sila Tolentino noon, biglang bawal kasi mag-present ng Philippine flag ng panahon na yun, yung American time na yun, di ba? Gagawin nila, naka-costume, magdidikit-dikit, ay naging flag. Tapos pag dyan ng police, mag-iwahiwalay na ganyan, di ba? Kasi it was really seditious, di ba? So, we were hoping that it also go deeper into the work of Kahabagin at Bukas. Hindi ko siya type actually in real life, di ba? Pero it's a critical input in this Septic Tank 4. Kasi that is a seditious play, and this is we're trying to challenge. I think magkakilala kami ni Maribel at ni Melvin with the theater board, and we've always wanted before, Maribel, ano ba yung gagawin natin? Rock of Ages na naman, di ba? Kumikita, di ba? Kaya sinabi ko, remember sustainability, totoo po yun. It sustains us, di ba? It sustains us. All we call is tentpole productions. And in the past 3 years, there's so many plays, so many beautiful plays, di ba? Sabay-sabay, sunod-sunod, kasi Seri, Rodriguez, Circuit, lahat-lahat. But also we're afraid, di ba? Because this is a boom, it could bust, right? I mean, how far can you supply? How much can you throw into the market? Eventually, that market will, of course, collapse, diba? Of course, PETA has been here for the last 59 years. So, 60 years na po, diba? So, it's really how to sustain the work. And PETA, I'm really proud to be part of PETA, that we still continue to do original work. Because I think it's in the original work that really we're able to push the idea. And hopefully, itong septic tank na ito, at ang kadalait, ay makapag-gising sa ating lahat. I mean, come on. I mean, it's kailangan talaga tayo, sabi ni Maribel, di ba, humor direct, di ba? It has to be humor, because it's the only way for us to confront. Ang Pilipino mahilig sa ganun, di ba? Kailangan magpatawa para may bukas ang mata. Eh, yun lang talaga yun, di ba? Kasi kung malungkot ito, wala magagana. Di ba? Ayun.